Whether you like peterobi or you don't like peterobi, we Igbo'S, we Igbo'S, we Igbo'S, till thy kingdom come, peterobi is our person. When peterobi was governor of Anambra State, he did well, both his first and second tenure. And when peterobi tenure came to an end, his peterobi personally called EFCC, come and assess me. peterobi did not wait for EFCC to come. peterobi used his hand to invite EFCC. EFCC, come on, I'm done with my service.
Simple.
I'm done with my service. Come and checkmate me, my stewardship.
I don't want my...
Come and checkmate me. So, all this what they have been dragging Fanika, your day, them, all of them to EFCC have been dragging them. Okay, look at the recent one. Look at the recent one EFCC is dragging from Kogi State. All of them. Why is it they have not come and drag peterobi? peterobi was the one that used his hand and invited EFCC. Do you understand? So I think Fanika, your day, maybe it's too much of book. You know?
Or you sure he doesn't want appointment with you?
Maybe he want a ministerial appointment. You know, this was how Wike was doing it. Small. We thought Wike was the same Wike that want to use ear. That he doesn't want to use his ear and hear APC. Do you see that means how Wike turn everything down?
He's not working with APC.
Do you see it? Maybe it's the same formula that Khalifa is using. Nobody knows. Nobody can tell.
They don't go meet them at Asoro.
Nobody can say. Do you understand? That's the same way. What is that? This is another lawyer. Kayamo. Festus Kayamo. That's the same way he was against government. He was like, government said, okay, come. Since that time, have you been hearing him talking against government? And to him, too, he's a lawyer. He's a senior advocate for that matter.
Working with Ganifa with me.
He have attained the peak of his career as a legal practitioner. Do you see it? So I would say, in conclusion, he wants ministerial appointment. He wants this government to work. He wants to work with this government. That's the reason why. Because
not called him now.
Yes.
But during the campaign, I think he worked for Tinubu, but Tinubu has not called him.
That I work for you for the first time. You do not call me. I need to work hard. Do you understand? If you're a businessman, you make a gain of 100,000 naira this month. Would you like to make the same gain of 100,000 naira? You would like to advance so that he work for Tinubu. Tinubu did not call him. He would like to work more for Tinubu to, yes, this guy is hard working. This guy, no. He have impressed me. Maybe the first one he did not impress Tinubu. Yes. Maybe he did not impress him. Maybe he would think that he worked for him. You know that the way I work for you, I will think that I work for you. You know, Jesus Christ said, don't be surprised, you that is preaching my gospel. I will go get out, you workers of iniquity. It's in the Bible. He said, those that call my name, don't be surprised that day. We will say you are workers of iniquity. So maybe you have not worked to the satisfaction of Tinubu. So you need to work hard. But I don't know, just of recent, they just changed against peterobi. But the truth remains, whether you call peterobi good person or you call him bad person, he has a crowd. You're a good person or bad person you call peterobi did not limit him what he is. He's still there, he's still going, he's still pulling crowd. I just remember what happened. Is it February or March, during the burial or wake-up ceremony of this late bank icon, assets icon Igbo'S, when they are recognizing distinguished personality, the MC, he purposely, we saw what happened. He purposely pretend as if he did not see peterobi. Meanwhile, peterobi is in front, one and one like this. It was crowd that was shouting at him, Obi is here, Obi is here. Immediately he called Obi, crowd change, the atmosphere change. Not only that, during the wake-up of this late Ezife of Anambra, you saw what happened when they are calling ex-governor of Anambra State to come and pay tribute to latest Ife. You know, he's the first sitting governor that came out. When he came, he did that, he removed his red cap. He bowed down. But when peterobi came, peterobi did not even come close to the casket. Peterobi was just like that. He just do crucifix, not finding one among so. Crowd was, is it anywhere peterobi go? Yeah, he doesn't want himself to be noticed. He doesn't want to. But people will force him that, okay, you are here. Do you understand? So, Fani Kayode is just a lawyer. I will respect him in his profession. Fani Kayode is a lawyer. So,
It's too arrogant.
And Fani Kayode has come out to say that anybody that votes for peterobi in 2027, that person should be checked mentally, that the person is not.
Fani Kayode is a madman. FFK is thoroughly a mad person who is too mouthy and also hallucinating. Fani Kayode is suffering from hallucination of schizophrenic race. It's a kind of delusion whereby you walk, you see pictures, and you talk as well. It goes with soliloquizing. Yes, Fani Kayode is a man we know that is the most, political insane in Nigeria. Once a PDP man gone to the office of the presidency when Buhari was president, begged and knelt down. Buhari disappointed him. Back to this current administration of Tinubu, Tinubu turns his back on him. So having that kind of infantry to say this kind of things against Obi that the whole Nigerians love, Fani Kayode is the one that is mentally deranged. He's mentally deranged. In fact, he's suffering from megalomania. He has issue promoting, talking well, only about himself. He believes that the way he handles all those his wives, he just rubbished and sacked, divorced them, is the way he's going to rubbish Nigerian youths and Obi himself. Nobody's listening to that side or looking at that side. But my only advice to Fani Kayode is to wait for Israel. The Zionists, Mossad, the IDF, they are coming after him. Fani Kayode has come out and said rubbish about Israel. That's why I question his intellectual ability. He cursed Israel. He talked bad about Israel. Fani Kayode said he's going to join forces with Hamas, Palestinian, Hezbollah's, ISNL, I think. That's Pakistan, Al-Shabaab, and fight Israel. And all this thing, he's saying it on Twitter. He's getting to Israel, Middle East there, they are reading it. And they are claiming Yoruba nation. So the man is deducting, reducing the values of the Yorubas. I wonder if Baba Adebanjo, Ayo Adebanjo, my father, my Baba, has not called this loquacious parrot to order to stop talking anyhow. Even if he's the only one that can write in this world, know what you are writing. Don't do what God says don't do. God says, if you curse, abuse, reject Israel, you rejected your life, you have cursed yourself. Fani Kayode, I believe, is a Christian, has cursed Israel. It is what you say that God will use to judge you. Christians are united all over the world, praying for peaceful existence, survival of Israel, present day Israel, because of what their neighbors have subjected them to. Right from 1948 till date, let alone what happened on October 7th, when Hamas went into Israel and wasted lots and lots of blood. And the Fani Kayode has not seen anything bad about it. He supports Hamas, he supports Hezbollah, he supports Iran, he supports Yemen, he supports Aleppo, Syria, into going war against only that Israel. See, let me tell you, I begin to question his Christian faithfulness or belief. Fani Kayode is suffering from diarrhea of the mouth. Anytime he opens his mouth, he talks anyhow without thinking. His mouth, ori, you know what I mean? The mouth is having many leakages, punctured, right from the upper chin down to the lower, what? Lips. Both sides are punctured and they are all leaking. Diarrhea of the mouth.
Maybe they don't like obedience. Like maybe...
Whether Fani Kayode likes obedience or not, there are Yoruba, Fani Kayode might not. Ayo Adebanjo, the father of the Yoruba land, he likes obedience because he likes good thing for his children. He likes good thing for the Hausas. He likes, Ayo Adebanjo likes good thing for Nigerians. Ayo Adebanjo likes thing for the Yorubas. He likes good thing for the Igbo'S. So if Fani Kayode hates obedience or hates Obi, it is up to him. See, Fani Kayode is advising everybody not to vote for Obi come 2027. Let me tell you, he's on the other side asking Tinubu, give me money, give me money, give me money, let me campaign for you. And actually Tinubu might be giving him money. That's why his ori woro woro mouth could not be closed. Do you know what? Whatsoever a man sows, whatsoever a man sows as seeds will eventually germinate back to him someday. That's the point.
Like, when Kayode was the Minister of Aviation, do you think he performed to to his utmost best?
These are people that are eating the past embezzled money they stored or deposited into their various accounts across Nigeria, across South Africa, and other African countries. When he was Minister of Aviation, he was not well tutored on that field. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. And he was not questioned about the mismanagement of money budgeted for that sector. So Fani Kayode will never ever be, will never have been a good Minister of Aviation. Because we know that that one must have many bad antecedents, shortcomings when he was doing that job. Can you just accredit any achievement in that sector, on that sector of aviation, that is just pointed at FFK? None. Femi Fani Kayode? None. So he mishandled public fund. They allow him to be, and they work hard to work with Buhari and the Tinubu. They turn their back on him. Lot of retribution, nemesis. It's caught up with him. So whatever he says, I think if he had did well in the past, his past good doings is what would have judged him or given him a better position in this present administration of Tinubu. So Fani Kayode is not somebody you can say he was doing well before, he did well, so you should employ him again in this present administration. He can come out, let him come out and show us what he has done in the past. Tell me whom your friends are. I will tell you the kind of person you are. This is a man that has been visiting Buhari. Same Fani Kayode was the man that attacked Buhari and the APC government against oppression, suppression and the marginalization of the Igbo'S. The same man has changed today and starts singing another tune. Man, every story about Fani Kayode is just fairy stories. A tale by the moonlight, a myth, old folklore, some unbelievable assumptions, stories of the animals, animation stories, animated stories, stories that, characters were just animated, stories that are carrying animal characters. I tell you, Fani Kayode is an animated object. I don't believe him, and I will never be.